The next version of the guidance, we're currently going through technical committee review and also ASHRAE publications review. We had a meeting with several stakeholders, and what they wanted to see is on the risk assessment section, more of it altered towards a planning and budgeting for equity. Now, equity is going to be defined for the people who are sending out the funding is, do you split your pot of money by square footage? Do you split it based on student population? Do you do it based on age of the building, or do you do it by the assessment, who has the worst air quality? So those are considerations in that next tranche, because the funding is not limited, but if you have $500,000, how do you best deploy that across a school district? It might not be logical to give each school $10,000, because that won't do as much. It might be more logical to give the whole $500,000 to the school that has no ventilation. So those are on the planning and the assessment side. It's important to work with your design professionals to figure out the best use of that.